Alright, hey y'all, what is up? Welcome back. I have another video for you today. This is a makeup tutorial, well really an eyeshadow tutorial. I'm gonna do something fun. I made an order off of Beautybay and I got the Book of Magic palette, and this is a Beautybay palette and it looks like this. Now I just recently did like a purple smoke look, so I'm going to try to bring in the green, the purple, and some blue and see what I come up with, because I also did a look like with another palette with this color. So I'm gonna see what I can come up with. I really want to use, of course, these shimmer shades. The purple look I did was actually all mattes, so I really want to swatch. Let's swatch this purple Charmed Crystal Spell before we get into the video. Okay, so this is Crystal here in the center, this is Charmed, and then this is Spell. I think what I am going to use is, I really want this to be like a fun, I think I'm gonna go with these two. I'm gonna use as many colors as I can for this look because I want it to be a little bit different than what I've already done. I have like an idea in my mind. I'm just hoping that it comes out on this look. Otherwise, it'll be a look you'll never see. So if you do see it, then it came out decent enough to share. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing I wanna do is take this Sorcery, this purple color, in my crease. And it's very pigmented. Ooh, I'm going to blend it out, so I'm trying to pack this color on and then I'm going to actually blend it out with Enchanted. So I'm going to take this lighter purple. I think I want to actually get a different brush. I'm going to take this lighter purple, Enchanted. It's like a lilac color, and I'm going to use that to blend out Sorcery. So I want to blend just a little above my crease. Taking the brush that I had Sorcery on, I'm just going to go back into my crease and kind of go over. Okay. My eyes are watering today. Alright, but I'm going to be cutting my crease anyway, so just making sure that it's really blended. This side went up a little bit higher, so I'm going to take my powder foundation. This one's almost gone. Still haven't seen my shade in the store. Gonna pat that under my brow bone, and then on this side I'm going to kind of sweep it over to kind of clean that up. Okay. into, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease so that way I can start putting these other colors on. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back. We're going to start putting, I'm going to put crystal on the very inner corner, and then the main part of the lid is actually going to be this color Spell. And let me see what these blues look like, Jinx and Potion. Okay, so Potion is the color that I'm going to transition it to. So we're going to start putting this on our lid. This color really isn't picking up on the brush. There we go. Spell, which is this color. Okay, and then to kind of bring in crystal back, you just pat that lightly over so that they transition better together. Alright, now time to bring in, what was that? Potion. So we're going to bring in Potion here. That's a really pretty blue. And just pat that at the end. Now we need to bring in, I'm going to actually put Sorcery to kind of help blend this. And bring it all together. But I'm really going to be taking take Voodoo to finally blend them all together, and I'm actually blending Voodoo on my lid and in my crease into Sorcery. And now, I hope I don't mess up this look because I want to use this color here. Okay, so it looks like that. I don't know if I want to put that on my inner lid because of a shift, or put that as to like line my eyes. I think I'm gonna put it as a liner to separate Sorcery from my crease and the lid colors, like right over where I would have done that cut crease. So I have this thin brush that you would like use for your eyeliner, and I'm going to just take it. Let me put that down and get this color on this brush. I'm gonna start at the very front because if I don't like the way it's looking, I'm just gonna stop like at some point. But I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Okay, you can kind of see it. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead, do this eye off camera, do my face and my eyeliner, and then I will come back at the end to go ahead and finish off the look for my eyes. All right, I am back. I went ahead, did my lips. I used the Jordana lip liner in the color Tawny, and then over top I used the Glam Light in Eggnog, which is my favorite. The liner I used on my crease, I didn't call it out, but it's the BH Cosmetics Eye Lights, and this color is called Gnarly. All right, so now I just need to do my under eye. I went ahead and did my waterline using this Italia Deluxe liner in the color Turquoise. And I'm pretty sure I got those off of, it came in a pack and I got them off of Amazon. So now for my lower lash line, I'm just going to use this color Sorcery and then transition it to Voodoo going back. And then of course we can't forget an inner corner highlight. So I think I'm going to take this color here, it's called Moonlight, and put that and hope that gives me some bling. So here is the look. The palette is called Book of Magic, so I think I'm gonna call this look the Book of Magic because I did some sorcery with this look. I really like it. I like the colors. It puts me in a good mood because it's all bold. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. If you like this look, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss another video. Thank you so much for watching.